What's good with y'all? Spiritually gets back with another video. Hope you like, comment, subscribe, turn notifications so y'all never miss a video. Another video we're coming out with today is music. Nowadays, music is a gateway to y'all to get away and shit like that. But y'all don't know about the art of music, the things you gotta do in music, the things to get popular now in music and shit like that. Shit is weird nowadays. Shit is different. It's not like the 90s when all you had to know how to do was rap and that's it. Or you just knew how to sing. Hey, that's it. Nowadays, you gotta do extra. You gotta fuck with the Illuminati and shit like that. Even get up there with Drake and them. You gotta do a whole bunch of shit just to get hella money nowadays. You gotta sacrifice people. You gotta sacrifice a whole bunch of other shit. You gotta do fucking embarrassing shit. Embarrassing acts to stay on top, like Tyga and YG doing right now. You gotta do a whole bunch of bullshit just to stay on top. Nowadays, you don't want to be in the music industry. Just like you don't want to be in the YouTube industry right now. It's too many niggas want to be YouTubers. Too many niggas that want to be rappers. Not everybody can be a rapper. Not everybody can be a YouTuber. Not everybody can do all this shit. There's other ways you can make money. There's other ways. Like, nobody wants to be a doctor nowadays. Nobody wants to be an astronaut nowadays. And I think that shit kind of easy because, goddamn, you going to that fake ass moon. You an actor at this point. Astronaut niggas, y'all are some actors. I do not believe what the hell y'all be saying. Y'all is some actors. Shit, they probably playing along too. They probably don't even know what the hell going on either. Well, goddamn, yeah. Heard that? That's that. But yeah, they some actors too. Goddamn, nowadays, y'all want to be doctors no more. Y'all don't want to be doctors. Y'all don't want to be fucking anything nowadays. Y'all want to be rappers, YouTubers, and all that other shit. TikTokers, whatever the case may be. And y'all cannot be that. Not everybody can be a TikToker. Not everybody can be a YouTuber. It only takes the people that grinds the most. The people that grinds the most and is willing to do whatever it takes to stay on that platform, they got it. Like Speed, he did whatever it took to get on that platform and be successful. Now look at him now. He got almost 10 mil. And he was grinding. Last year, 2 years ago, that nigga only had 10K. Now that nigga got 10 mil. That nigga going crazy now. Now you probably like, does this mean that you don't want me to be a YouTuber, actor? I'm not saying that, bro. Pursue your dreams, but be more realistic about the things that you have to go through to make it. Especially the celebrities. There's more celebrities out here more than anything now. Not anybody becomes celebrity. Anybody can become celebrity. You get 80K on TikTok, people call you a TikToker. I'm not really a TikToker. I don't even make TikToks like that. Shit, I barely even show my face in the bitches. But goddamn, hey. But they call you a YouTuber when you get like 5K, 10K. Hey, I'm barely even that. I only got 1K. In total, I probably got like 2K. That's it. I am Talik. I am spiritually. I am, yeah. But yeah, music. Yeah, let me go back to the music thing. Music takes a lot. You gotta sacrifice people in music. You gotta do a whole bunch of shit. You gotta do rituals in music videos. It's a lot of shit you gotta do, especially in these YouTube videos too. You acting like these niggas don't be doing no bullshit like that either. Them niggas be doing shit like that too. Them niggas do anything to make it to the top too. You sign a contract, they gonna give your ass a contract. It don't even gotta be YouTube. It could be someone else that give them a contract. They get a whole bunch of money just for doing that contract. But they gotta do some Satanism. And they only gotta show a glimpse of it. That's it. That's all they gotta show. But yeah. People weird nowadays, huh? Making content right now. Goddamn, calm down. But goddamn, hey, The music industry come with a lot of shit, bro. If you willing to do that shit, if you willing to do anything and everything for money, hey, be you. Do what you gotta do. Goddamn, risking your life, losing your mama, losing your friends is not worth it. And that's just in my opinion. And nowadays, you rappers are targets now. Look at Lil TJ. That nigga got shot up in New Jersey. Them niggas is turning into targets now. Rappers, YouTubers are turning into targets now. This shit is not fun. This shit is not cool. Nowadays, internet is getting worse and worse. Bro, you do not want to be a YouTuber right now. You do not want to be a TikToker right now. Like, the hate that you get is different, bro. You do not want to be this. You do not want to be a TikToker. You do not want to be a YouTuber. You do not want to be a content creator in general. The hate is way different than 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. Bro, all you get now is hate. You don't get no love no more. It ain't no real people that really give you a lot of love, bro. You will see more hate than love nowadays. You will see niggas in your Instagram being weird. You will see all the bullshit. You got, like, bro, you do not want to be a TikToker. You do not want to be a YouTuber. This is not what you want. This is not what you want. And be a musician at that, and then you got signed to a label, and they gonna fuck you over. Like, bro, it's not a lot of people you can sign to, and they still do you right. Grade A, they did some of their niggas wrong. Everybody gonna do you wrong, bro. All these labels gonna do you wrong to an extent, because they gotta pay other niggas in that label. Even if you go no label and shit like that, you go no label starting out, bro, you ain't gonna get a lot of recognition. You is not gonna get like that. You is not gonna get the views. You is not gonna get all the money and shit like that. It's all these charts, all these places and shit is meant for people that got, what's the word? I just said it. People that got labels. It's meant for people that got labels. You not gonna make it, my boy. Labels gonna take care of you. You may get 1 million views on YouTube every now and then with a music video or a song, but goddamn, hey, that doesn't mean these labels are not gonna contact you and try to put you in lowball deals. They don't care about you. Look what Suge Knight did to all his rappers. That's what every label is about. They about their money, and they about scamming your dumb ass so you can be on their label so no one else can get you. Let's be real. Do you really want to be a part of that? Hey, put that in the comments down below. But goddamn, hey, this is the end of this video. I hope you would like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so y'all never miss a video. I'm out this hoe. Y'all be safe and y'all stay dangerous out here.